Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to get your TikTok account unbanned. To start, open your mobile browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Once in Google Chrome, search for Unbanned TikTok account. After searching, you should click on the first thing to appear in your mobile browser, which is Account Safety, support.tiktok.com. Once the website loads, scroll down and look for Please Send a Report Here and tap on it. When you tap on it, you should open it here. Input your details, the email address that you're using for your TikTok account. After, also add in your username. Next, tap on Topic. And then on the topic, look for Account Ban Suspension. Click on that. And then for Tell Us More, click on Other. For How Can We Help, please state your case. In this example, I'm adding in a message for the TikTok support group. This can be anything that would plead your case to help you unban your account. Just compose a brief summary of your case and plea to TikTok support. After typing your message, you can also have the option to upload any documentation that would support your case that would help in unbanning your account. After all these, check the two boxes below and then click on Submit. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.